Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. It's Thomas. So I wasn't in Emma's vlog this past week, and I just thought I'd do a little explanation. I'm not dead. I know all my fans out there, you're really concerned. You're like, wow, where's Thomas? Is he okay? Does he have friends anymore? Is he fine? Actually, I do have friends. I was with other friends as well. Actually, this past weekend, and so sorry. I'm sorry. It's just really hard when you're just trying to keep up with everybody. And you just really enjoy seeing yourself in Emma's vlogs. And you just don't anymore. And you just feel like you really miss out. So, anyways, that's why I'm vlogging this. Because I want to make sure I actually get into Emma's vlog this week. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry.
Guys, the Tommy McCarthy is currently watching my vlog. Do you like that part, Tommy? What? Is it good?
Good cymbal playing.
Yeah.
Oh.
Thanks.
Is that Steven Spielberg or is that Emma Davis? That is some fantastic editing. Who does that? Wow.
Pops is currently conducting How to Train Your Dragon on his way to class. I think he knows. Freaking Pops. Look at this. The sunlight sitting on top of a car in a school parking lot. Doesn't get angstier than this, ladies and gentlemen.
Playing chess.
You're playing. Oh my god. That ruined it. The last time we were here,
No.
When?
Clarissa was here.
I was here. I was like midnight.
When did that happen?
What happened? It happened in September at midnight.
Oh, I wasn't friends with you.
I wasn't invited to that.
I'm just
I'm pretty sure we were friends.
Whatever. There was a bomb in the parking lot.
Or cocaine.
Or
I hope it was cocaine.
Wait, are we going through now?
What's your name and what's wrong with you?
My name is Jacob Wright, and I have too much swag.
It's the one and only Eagle Double G.
It's Caleb struggling behind. You were here, Clarissa?
It's when the too much swag happened.
Yeah, this is where it was.
Yep.
Jacob Wright is too much swag. Look at this light. Thomas, we look great. Look at that. Look at this light. This is actually really nice. You got some sun flares right in here. You do some really artsy stuff. Do the praise and worship hands.
Wait,
the praise and worship hands. Just throw your hands up. Aw, Christian school. With Thomas. This is your host, Thomas. Hey. Here's how you get out of a tree, kids. You gotta get down from there, Thomas. We have to end the episode. Scream help.
Expose Emma's face. Make me do this.
Why do you always try to expose me, Thomas? I'm giving you vlogs.
Guys, I got away. Emma, she doesn't pay me. And she makes me do things against my will. Now I'm leaving this place. Guys, I need to join a union or something because Emma's not doing anything to help me.
Wednesday, having a lit time. Look at this. She's a thrifter. Look at this. Oh my gosh, go. Look how freaking cute. This is the attic fun time. Love it. We go down the way. This is my room. Look at this cute little door. Look at this sewing machine. But the door. This door. Look at this door. It's so cute. That door just closed. So intense. Like old. Everything is old. It's amazing.
Okay, actually, disclaimer, I don't cry like that. In fact, I don't cry at all because I'm a man, and we don't do that. So, yeah, so don't at me. It was a bit. I don't actually act like that, so don't worry.